Today we will see some principles of human nutrition. Principle number 1. Food is a basic need of humans. Principle number 2. Foods provide energy, calories, nutrients and other substances needed for growth and health. Principle number 3. Health problems related to nutrition originates within cells. Principle number 4. Poor nutrition can result from both inadequate and excessive levels of nutrient intake. Principle number 5. Humans have adaptive mechanisms for managing fluctuations in food intake. Principle number 6. Malnutrition can result from poor diets and from disease states, genetic factors and combination of these causes. Principle number 7. Some group of people are at higher risk of becoming inadequately nourished than others. Principle number 8. Poor nutrition can influence the development of certain chronic disease. Principle number 9. Adequacy, variety and balanced are key characteristics of a healthy diet. Principle number 10. There is no good or bad foods. All these principles are important factors for human nutrition.